Hey guys, it's me again. Tonight we're gonna draw a Toxicroak. If you must know, this Pokemon was once a member of Team Galactic. And of course, also codenamed as the Toxic Mouth Pokemon. Also a poison and fighting type. Also Croagunk's evolved form. I didn't even know Croagunk could evolve back in the old days. The reason why he's called the Toxic Mouth Pokemon is that he has this huge walloping thing on his throat. Anything else? You didn't notice? You didn't notice that? Alright, its attacks are Astonish, Belch, Mud Slap, Nasty Plot, Poison Jab, Poison Sting, Revenge, Sludge Bomb, Sucker Punch, Swagger, Taunt, Toxic, and Venoshock. Yeah? I was kind of in the mood for going outside. We can use that credit card you gave me. Oh. Now here's the dagger. Yeah? Alright. I want to do something outside afterwards. And done. There he is. That's how you draw a Toxicroak. If you want to find out how to draw more characters like this, then you can go to the playlists. Be sure to leave a comment below on what character you want me to draw next. That's how you draw a Toxicroak. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. Alexa, what is a poison dart frog?
Poison dart frog is the common name of a group of frogs in the family Dendrobatidae, which are native to tropical Central and South America. These species are diurnal and often have brightly colored bodies. This bright coloration is correlated with the toxicity of the species, making them aposematic.
Alright, anyways, Stegosaurus, see you later. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. See you later.